Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to change email on Instagram account. So the first step is go to the Instagram app, and when the Instagram app open, you need to go to the profile, and now you pick here in the superior part of the app in these three lines, and you pick in settings and privacy. So in this part you need to pick in account center, and you go down in this part, in this option where said personal details, you pick here, and now you need to pick in contact info. So the only thing you need to do for change this email, for example, is pick here in this three in this bottom, go down when said add new contact. So you pick here and you pick in add mobile number or add email. So you pick in add email. And that's it. You choose the account the account who you need to change the email. For example, this, and you pick here the new email, and that's it. The only need and the only thing you need to do after that is confirm the change of the email with a code, and that's it. That's all you need to do. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.